Can chair yoga help you lose belly fat? Hi, I'm Sarah Starr, host of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on PBS. And I want you to stick around until the end where I'll share the secret to the only way to have success on your fitness journey. But first things first, abs are made in the kitchen and you can't outtrain a poor diet. That being said, chair yoga is an accessible and effective way to strengthen and tone your core. Those gentle twists and ab exercises help to tighten and tone your belly muscles without the neck, back, or knee pain that so many experience when trying to get down on the ground. So while chair yoga isn't a magic weight loss potion, when paired with mindful eating and gentle movement, it's a recipe for success. So go ahead and grab your chair and let's start this abtastic routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue flowing with this movement. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, and with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Release and return to center. Moving into a side reach variation. Alternate extending one leg out to the side as you reach overhead, lengthening through your side body. Continue alternating right and left, moving through your own range of motion, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, using your core to stabilize, working through the front, back, and sides of core while activating your obliques. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, clasp your left hand beneath your chair. Inhale, extend and reach through your right leg and arm. Exhale, draw elbow to knee, squeezing and contracting through your side body, working through your obliques. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving at your own pace. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Clasp your right hand beneath your chair. Inhale, reach and extend through your left arm and leg. Exhale, draw elbow to knee, working through your obliques. Release and return to center. Preparing for a boat pose variation. Clasp your hands beneath your chair. Lift your right leg and hold as you continue sitting tall with your chest lifting. Release and repeat on the opposite side, toning through your abdominal muscles, strengthening through your low back. Release. Continue moving from right to left, or for more of a challenge, lift both legs and hold as you continue lifting through your chest, lengthening your spine, feeling your abdomen, spine, and hip flexors working. Release and return to center. Step your feet into a wide stance, rooting down through your feet. Place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, center. Exhale, gently twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Maintain your hips facing forward, allowing this movement to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Adding on, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, gently flexing. Inhale to upright. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, keeping your elbows wide, broadening across your chest, gently flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Adding on, inhale at the top, exhale, reach one arm down your leg and the opposite arm up and overhead. Inhale at the top, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue moving from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your side body. Release and return to center, maintaining your feet in a wide stance. Open your arms wide, moving into a seated twist variation. Inhale at center with your arms open wide. Exhale, gently twist. Reaching opposite hand to leg, keeping your spine long and your core engaged, moving through your own range of motion. Pausing at center, maintain your wide stance. Moving into a diagonal stretch. Place your hands to your thighs, fingertips pointing inward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your shoulder towards the opposite knee. Inhale to upright. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, keeping your core engaged, stretching through your inner thighs, spine, shoulders, and chest. Pausing at center, maintain your wide stance. Place your right forearm to your right thigh. Reach your left arm overhead. Sweep across the horizon and to your left thigh, repeating on the opposite side. Continue moving at your own pace, feeling a gentle stretch through your spine, shoulders, arms, and side body. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. And now for the secret to your success on your fitness journey is consistency. Doing your best to stick with it and finish what you start. So if your goal is to tighten and tone and feel healthier and happier in your body, I'll see you tomorrow. Also, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe as it'll help YouTube to remind you to stay on your fitness journey. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.